Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add your debit card to PayPal using Bank of America app. Open the app by tapping on it. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a menu option at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on Menu. Under Menu, you will see an option for Manage Debit Card. Tap on Manage Debit Card. On this screen, you will see an option for Digital Wallets. Tap on Digital Wallets. Here, you will see a section for PayPal. Beside it is a button for Add. Tap on Add. Before you proceed, read the terms and conditions. After reading, tap on the radio button beside I agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap on Continue to PayPal. At the upper right corner of this screen, you will see a Login button. Tap on Login. Now, log in with your PayPal email or mobile number and password. Now, review the linked BOA payment method. Then tap on Next. Next, read the privacy statement. Then tap on Agree. Now, you need to log in again with your Bank of America account. So enter your user ID and password, then tap Login. To verify your identity, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Select how you want to receive the code either via text message or phone call. Then tap on Send Code. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then tap on Submit. That's how you add your debit card to PayPal using Bank of America app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.